Hi fellas, Ben back again on another video. This time this is going to be about some new additions to the motorcycle. Yeah, this this bike is about 4.5 years old and still looks spanking new, but that being said, there's a lot that goes into making a motorcycle like this. There is a ton of work, a dedicated work for that matter, that goes into making a motorcycle that looks and rides like this, and it's taken a toll on me. It's because I have continued to put in a lot of man hours on making tweaks, finer modifications to make the Himalayan better. But anyone who rides this bike has nothing but words of praise for it, and they are shocked at the transformation. Initially, when I used to do these minor upgrades, people used to have all sorts of skepticism towards it. They used to ask me, what difference does that make? I barely feel the difference. And now when everybody, when anyone and everyone who gets to ride my bike says that, it's just completely transformed the nature of the bike, I only have the same things to tell them. The fact that, they ridiculed me on doing these smaller bits, but everything adds up. Everything adds up in life as well. So, tons and tons of mods. Like I said, like I promised, there's a dedicated video headed your way. Very soon you are going to be entertained by a fantastic video on all that's gone into the motorcycle. But for today, again, sadly, it's just going to be about two or three mods that I have done to the bike of late. One is this from the Prospec company. These guys make all sorts of nice, interesting accessories and attachments for a motorcycle. They made this fantastic easy clutch. If you guys can see, I've been running this for 15,000 kilometers now on the bike, and I really have nothing more to say. All sorts of people who have issues fixing the easy clutch onto their motorcycle, all that I can say is just find yourself a good mechanic who understands what needs to be done, how it needs to be done, and it's a piece of cake. Now so this team from Prospec has made this as well, this interesting product. It's like a crash bobbin for the crash guards, and also helps with attachments of a lot of accessories. So you can attach a lot of things onto this, and it's called an easy tag. So you can tag a lot of things onto this, and make a bottle holder, aux lights, and it depends on where you attach it. So you can attach it here to the crash guard, you can attach it here onto the tank guards, you can attach it just about anywhere and everywhere where you want to. I have attached it here just so that it kind of takes a blow from the ground first before my crash guard takes it. Nothing really of great value, just thought I would have it on the bike, and here it is on the bike. And another thing that I have found myself on Amazon is this brake lever foot extender, and this is fantastic. This is transformational again. So now my motorcycle, see, of course you can adjust the height of the brake lever front and back. You can lower it up and down, and there's so much that you can do in terms of fine-tuning it, getting it right where you want it to be. But then again, this kind of the brake lever design, the pedal design was not enough. The boot would most of the times end up slipping. It would not grab well, and so I was looking for a brake pedal foot extender, and I got myself this two-step foot extender. Of course, I can brake on the top like that. This is not a two-step, this is a single step, but kind of doubles as a two-step. So you can press on that when you're standing, and it is on the same plane as the footrest. And then there's this lower portion, sits slightly lower, and this offers fantastic grip. A wider platform offers fantastic grip. Anybody who loves sliding the rear wheel to manage direction, this is something that I would highly recommend. You can definitely check this out as well. I will attach a link to these products, and yep, that ought to be it. Well, that should be it. 2 new additions to the motorcycle, and that's about it. If this video helped, a quick video, I'm not wasting your time. If this video helped, let it help. I will attach the links, purchase links to these products, and you guys can go and get it yourself. Well, that's about it from a fantastic place, out on a quick small trip. I'll see you guys on the next one. This is Ben signing out for now. Ciao.